Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to practice trading without risking any real money, you've probably heard of paper trading on Tradingview. But what happens if you want to change your account balance, for example, to simulate different conditions or reset your funds? Well, today I'm going to show you step by step how to change your paper trading account balance on Tradingview. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a new paper trading account, adjust the starting balance, and even reset your funds at any time, so you can tailor your practice to fit your trading goals. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to make sure you're in the right section of Tradingview. Look along the bottom of your screen for the trading panel. This is where you access all your broker connections and paper trading features. Give that trading panel button a click. Don't worry if your screen looks a little different. That panel can sometimes be tucked away, so just look for that small tab or button. Once you're inside the trading panel, you'll notice there are a few different trading options. What you want to do is spot and click on paper trading. This is Tradingview's built-in simulation tool. Even if you're connected to another broker, make sure you select this option so you're trading with virtual funds. Now you'll see an account section in the panel, usually on the left. Click on the account. This is where you'll manage your paper trading account details. Here's a handy feature. If you want to start totally fresh, maybe to test out a new strategy or keep your practice separate, you can actually create a brand new account. Look for the option that says Create Account and click that. You'll be prompted to give your new account a name. This could be anything you like, maybe call it Test Strategy Account or June Practice Fund. Giving it a specific name can help you keep track, especially if you run multiple practice scenarios. And right below that, you'll see a field where you can enter the amount. This is your starting balance for the paper trading account. Take a moment to think about how much you want to begin with. For example, if you want to practice trading as if you had a $10,000 account, just type that in. Or if you want to simulate higher stakes, you can set the amount even higher. It's completely up to you, and that's the beauty of paper trading. You get to design the perfect practice environment for your needs. When you're happy with the name and the balance, hit Create. Now your new paper trading account will appear in your account list. Let's say you're mid-practice and want to make changes. Maybe you want to reset your funds back to the starting amount or top up after a losing streak. Next to your account name, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on it and you'll notice you have a few options to edit the account. If you want to increase or reduce your funds, find the Reset Account button. This lets you change the account balance back to whatever you'd like. Just enter the new amount and click Reset. Give it a moment to process. It might take a few seconds, but once it's done, your account will be updated with the new balance. And that's really all there is to it. Changing your paper trading account balance in Tradingview is quick, but it's also such a powerful way to customize your trading practice. You can experiment with different amounts, reset anytime, and focus on building your skills without any real-world pressure. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Tradingview feature you want to learn more about. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.